is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to check out another home theater. I'm a little short on time here, so I'm going to give you a quick overview of exactly what is going on. We got a native 4K Sony 295 with a 120-inch SI zero-edge Pro Slate 1.2 with the backlit LED kit. Blech, that is a mouthful. Anyways, so that is one of the best combos for native 4K. I mean, you just can't beat a Sony 295 with a Slate. Well, unless you go up to the JVCs or the higher end Sony, but anyways, this is a great value whenever you're getting into native 4K projection. And then we're pairing that with a Reference Premiere Pro Series Klipsch 7.1 channel system. It's gonna be awesome! If you guys aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up! Let's go check it out! Alright guys, just came up to the theater room and you can see it is looking good. Check it out. We got the in walls, you can't even see them, they just disappear right into the wall. And then we got our 120-inch zero edge SI Slate 1.2 with the backlit LED kit looking really sharp. Got our Sony up here, the Sony 295. And it's looking really great. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You can see this is the one button press touchscreen remote from Logitech, the Pro. And you hit that one button, it's going to turn everything on, turn it all the right input for us, making it very, very, very easy to operate. If you guys are not familiar with this remote, I recommend it to everybody. I really like it because it's one button press and it's consumer friendly. Like, you don't have to hire us to come in, or a professional company like us to come and reprogram it. You could, right from your phone, change devices, add in different scenes. It just super, super easy system to operate and reprogram. Everything's turning on right now. While it is, I'm gonna go over the rest of the system with you. We got the Klipsch, the SPO 120 ported sub in the back of the room, our Pro 160s, looking really sharp. 160s overhead. I think what happened was, you can see how those are rectangular. Originally, the customer was wanting a 7.1, which is what it's pre-wired for, but instead I ended up putting them in the ceiling. What's actually preferred are circular speakers, but you can put an in-wall in the ceiling if you have to, but typically we would recommend the Pro 160 RPC instead of RPW. All right, it's fired up. So you can see what's really great about this particular screen is the fact that it is an ALR screen. ALR means ambient light rejecting technology. And what it also does is cut back on light scatter. You can see this room's painted white or gray, super light color, which means that typically you're gonna get a lot of light bouncing back onto the screen, giving you a really dull, washed out image. This is vibrant, and we got all the lights on. I mean, look at this. There's a ton of light in this room, as well as the walls are painted very light color, which is not recommended for home theater. So check it out, guys. I mean, this is looking awesome. There's a reason that I recommend this screen. It's expensive, but it looks beautiful. I posted a video prior to this one of a customer that had the Sony 295, and they actually had a silver ticket 235 screen and matte white, and it was just really washed out. Not bad whenever you killed all the lights, but I mean, look at this. Just look at it. Beautiful. I'm not sure if I said earlier, but you got Pro 250 RPWs, front, left, right, and center. Everything's being powered up with the Denon In Command series, the X2600.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction in this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, almost anywhere in between. Then, you will feel every dimension. How's that sound?
Holy smokes. You guys gotta admit, even through YouTube, that sounded awesome. Anyways, 5.1.2 Klipsch Pro Series, Sony 295, and Slate 1.2. Can you beat it? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you guys did like this video and quick system overview, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Now, if you guys would like to purchase products, make sure you give us a call and show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, and we are working on building up our local installer network throughout the entire country, so make sure to inquire about that as well. Till next time, guys, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.